So, guess what showed up in the mail the other day? Ha 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 ha. My home collection kit from HRI Labs. So, I got to see Jim speak. Would have been about a month or so in Winnipeg, and he runs a lab down in the States that does glyphosate testing. So, in food, in animals, in people. So we ordered a couple urine tests. So myself and my special lady friend are going to do that together. And got a little kit here and all our sealed up bags. So I'm going to have my own biohazard thing. And yeah, we're going to get this back and find out exactly what's going on. So we're going to do that today and ship it off, and I will keep you guys in the loop of what that looks like. But pretty interesting. It also comes along with a little bit of a little survey asking about if you're working on a farm, if you're using glyphosate, if you play golf, what kind of food you're eating, a lot of legumes and soy products that aren't organic use glyphosate quite a bit, just from some of the stuff that he's been testing before. So it gets kind of a really broad spectrum of what's going on out there, and he's going to share the analysis, or sorry, all the research once it's all compiled with us afterwards too. So I'll keep you guys in the date of that as well. So good times. I'm going to go shake one off now. All right, we'll see you later.